Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to connect the PC to the internet in local area network through IP address, and how to restrict other PCs, and we will configure on Fortinet the IP address to allow only internet for PC1, and PC2 it will not get internet access. In previous lesson we covered how to allow internet access on local area network. So it means it was connecting to all the network, but in this video we will only allow one specified PC. So I will show you. First of all, you can see I already assigned the IP address 10.2 to my PC and 10.3 to my VPC. So this is like Kali line PC, Linux PC. So what I will show you, you can open the PC1. I will show you ping 192.168.10.1. This one is my gateway. I will enter. You can see the gateway is pinging properly, and I will show you VPC. I set the IP address for the VPC 10.3. Click enter. You can see it is pinging. I will show you to ping 8.8.8.8. You can see I am trying to ping internet. Enter. It is not pinging. So I will show you how to ping to the internet. As of now it is only pinging for my gateway here, port number 2 and VPC 2. So now I will show you. Also you can see here, click on VPC and I will show you. I already set the IP address here, ping 10 ping 192.168.10.1. You can see it is pinging to gateway, and ping 192.168.10.2. from VPC I am pinging to PC number 1. Enter. You can see it is still pinging, but once I will go to the ping and 8.8.8.8, enter. See, request timeout. So there is no internet access for this local area network. The policy is not created on firewall. So I will show you how to create policy to get internet access for only PC1. So go to the firewall, log into the firewall, enter. In previous video we already covered the LAN port and how to configure LAN, and also how to enter the IP address here. Everything we covered here. Static IP, we choose static IP here, and also interface for the WAN we selected here, it is DHCP. So directly it is taking the IP address, and our gateway is from the cloud to yani management port, ISP, it is 2. So go back, and now what we will do, we already set the DNS as well. Now we will go to policies, policy objects, and from there firewall policy. Here you can see create new, and name what we will give, allow internet, allow internet. I give name allow internet. Incoming source will be LAN port 2. Why? Because incoming source to the Fortinet is local area network. So port number 2 is connected to local area network. So LAN port 2, and outgoing interface will be WAN. Why? Because this port number 1 is connecting to outside WAN, and source will be our PC. So it is going to internet. So this is the source. So we are going to enter this IP address here. Click on source. If I choose here all, so in my local area network all the PCs will get internet access, but I want to specify only one PC. So create and click address. Here I will assign the IP address for only specified PC. So click here user or PC1. So we know that exactly PC1, and then enter here IP address of the PC 192.168.10.2 slash. Only we are specifying only one PC, so the subnet mask will be 32. So you can see here, now we have to choose interface, from which interface it is connecting, LAN port 2. So we have to choose LAN port 2 and click OK. See, you can see here PC1 is already here. Instead of PC1 you can use the username or IP address if you can remember. So close this one. No, we have to select this one. Okay, PC1 I selected, close, and destination will be, I will choose the destination all. Okay, we are not specifying only gmail.com login, and this user PC1, it is not connecting to gmail.com or Microsoft. It need full internet access. For example, I will select all. From the destination he can access all the things. So after that, this one keep it always, and services I will provide here. For example, there is services. Which services we need to allow him? If you want to allow HTTP, it will access website without encryption, and HTTPS, it means the accesses secure encrypted websites. It will access secured encrypted websites. So if you want to allow each and everyone, you can allow each and everyone. FTP, transfer files between computers. If you click this one, it will transfer the files between the computers. If you remove this one, it will not transfer any files in between our computers. And also, for example, if you there is SSH, all the services available here you can choose. For example, if you allow SSH, this one secure remote administration of servers and network devices. If we disable this one, if you allow this one, it will access the remote sessions internally. So also DNS, domain naming system, it will resolve IP address to domain names to, sorry, it will resolve IP address to names and names to IP address. And DHCP, for example, if you choose this one, what will happen? Automatically assign the IP address to the device. So we can select as it is for these things only, or else IMAP, and IMAPS, POP3, all like Telnet, all the services available here. You can choose anything, but as of now we will select all to proceed. Also we will allow the NAT. Why? Network address translation. It will change the source IP address to destination IP address. The source IP address, you know that 192.160.2. So it will automatically translate the IP to the destination. So it will translate the IP address to connect the destination. So we will use this one, NAT. So we must use NAT. And also there is, we have like antivirus and web filters, DNS filters. So antivirus actually it scans the traffic for virus, malware, ransomware, and infected files. So blocks user downloading from infected PDF or Excel files. And also web filter controls which websites user can access, block Facebook or TikTok, gambling or adult website, like different websites. Filters are DNS malicious domains. DNS filters malicious domains. So it will not allow to visit phishing websites. Application controls control the applications regardless of port numbers. It's like WhatsApp, BitTorrent, Zoom, Facebook apps. It will block all the things. And IPS, intrusion prevention system. It detects and blocks network attacks. So like this, file filter, SSL inspection, and also you have logging options. Logging allow traffic will security profile detections, virus detection, IPS attacks, web filter violation. But this one less storage consumption as well. All sessions, it will take the logs, every connection, every website access, every sessions. More detained but consumes more disk space. So these are the different things. So just click OK to proceed. So you can see here the internet access is provided to only one PC. So we will go to the topology. From here, from EVE, we will check the PC. I already opened the PC here. Now before we cannot access to the internet. Now we will just ping 8.8.8, enter. You can see it is pinging to the internet. You can see the still it is pinging. So you can see here still it is pinging. Just go back to the VPC. From VPC we will check ping 8.8.8, enter. See, there is no connection for the internet. So these are the simple steps to create the policy on FortiGate Firewall. So this is the policy we created. We specified PC1 only to get the internet access, so it was getting the internet access. The other PC, it was not getting any internet access. So I hope you understand how to create a firewall policy and allow internet access to a specific user based on their IP addresses. So in next lesson we will cover DMZ, demilitarized zone, and how to configure DMZ interface to FortiGate firewall, and how to allow communication between DMZ server and a specific PC on the local network. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.